today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a name record in Godaddy. This process might sound a bit technical at first, but we'll break it down into a few simple steps that will make everything clear and manageable. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to the Godaddy website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the list of your products. Look for domains or whichever section your domains are listed under. It's here you'll find all the domains that you own. Click on the domain that you want to edit the DNS settings for. This will lead you to the domain settings page, which is where most of the magic happens. Now, you'll see an option that says Manage DNS. Click on this to enter the DNS management page. This is where you can control and edit the DNS records for your domain. You're going to look for a button that says Add. It might be located somewhere near the top of the records list. Go ahead and click it. Once you're in the form to add a new DNS record, you'll need to select Name from the drop-down menu. This specifies the type of DNS record you wish to create. The name type allows you to alias one name to another, sharing the configuration of the alias domain. Now, you'll be presented with several fields you need to fill out. In the Name field, you'll enter the subdomain that you want to create the name for. If you're working with your root domain, you'll often use www or another similar subdomain here unless specified differently by your need. Next, in the Value or Points to field, you'll enter the domain you want your name record to point to. This could be a server or another domain, depending on your specific requirements. After you've populated these fields, you can usually leave the TTL field on its default setting. TTL stands for Time to Live, and it determines how long the server should cache information before refreshing. The default is generally fine unless instructed by a specific service to set it otherwise. Before finishing up, double-check your entries. This is crucial because a mistake in these records can lead to issues with how your domain resolves. Once everything looks good, click the Save button. Your changes will often take immediate effect, but in some cases, like when DNS propagation is involved, they might take a little while to fully propagate across the internet. This delay can be anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, so be patient if you don't see changes immediately. And there you have it. Adding a name record in Godaddy is pretty straightforward once you know where to go. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be doing it without a second thought. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.